In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make your own sound on TikTok so that you can use it in your TikTok videos. Alright, make sure you go ahead and follow each and every single step, otherwise this is not going to work. Alright, so step number one is making sure that you've got a screen recording app. If you're an iPhone, you'll already have this. If you don't, then you can go to the Play Store and you can download a screen recording app. So that might be AZ Screen Recorder or any other one. So I recommend downloading a screen recording app so that you can record your sound. Next up, you want to go to YouTube and you want to pretty much record the sound that you would like to add in your TikToks. So that might be this one right here. So what you would do is you would simply screen record this song on YouTube, and you can do it with any sound. It doesn't have to be a song. You can also do any sound on here. So for example, you can do like a bell icon, a bell sound just like that. You can also record this, but just make sure to screen record it. Next up, go to TikTok, click on tap to create a new video, and then what you want to do is simply click on upload and then click right there on the song that you've just screen recorded. So I've already prepared for this video. I made this, and then what you want to do is click next just like that, and then you also want to do next, next right there, and then I'm gonna say sound. And then what you can do is pretty much click on post. So you can post this publicly. It's then going to post it on your TikTok. So depending on your internet speed, this might take a while, but there we go. It just got uploaded. And then what you can do is click right here in the future. So if that makes sense. So, all right. So once you've posted it, you want to close TikTok, and you might have to wait a couple of minutes, but just make sure you close all of your apps and give it some time. If you then go to TikTok, click on that video, you can click on this sound icon right there, and then you'll see original sound. And right now you've got your own sound. Use this sound, add it to your favorites, and yeah, that's pretty much how you can do it. You can also change the title of this sound right here. Sound just like that. Click save, and there you go. You've just made your own sound on TikTok. I hope this video helps you out. If it did, then make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would really appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.